Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you this pop of color for spring. It's super cute and pink and gorgeous and I really like it. So yeah, it's kind of like monochromatic and it's really cute. So I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Please subscribe before you leave and let's just get started. Okay, so I'm just going to start off by doing my eyeshadow, of course, first. And I'm going to be using this little tiny Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion. I'm going to apply that on both eyelids and blend that out. And then I'm going to use my Wet n Wild Brulee eyeshadow, and I'm going to use my Real Techniques shading brush, and I'm just going to set my inner corner and my brow bone with that. Just to make sure that no pink eyeshadow sticks to my brow bone, because that would not look cute. So for today's look, I'm going to use the Cara Beauty eyeshadow palette, and this one is the You Had Me at Aloha palette, and I'm going to use this pink shade right here called Sorbet, and I'm going to not use that yet because I forgot to use this. I'm going to use the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the shade Milk, and I'm just going to apply that all over my lid to give a base for the pink to stick onto and make it so super pigmented. And then now I'm going to use the Cara Beauty eyeshadow palette and the color Sorbet. And I'm going to use my Real Techniques, not Real Techniques, what the heck am I saying? I'm going to use the Morphe M421 brush and take some of that pink color, and I'm just going to pack that all over that NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil that we put down as a base. I'm just going to pack that all over. I have my somewhat matching tank top and my nails, my pink nails on, just to match this look. And then I'm going to take that same Sorbet shade and I'm going to use my Real Techniques Essential Crease Brush and just take some of that and apply that in my crease, just to kind of buff that color out. And put a little bit of something in the crease, but it's the same shade, but look at how much more pigmented the lid is because of that NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil. Like, amazing. Look at how it's like the most quick, easy eyeshadow ever. It's literally one shade. I just love it so much. So then I'm going to use my e.l.f. eyelash curler and curl my lashes. I'm going to use my e.l.f. Big Mood mascara Then I'm going to create a wing and do lashes all at the same time. So I'm going to use the Kiss Lash Glue Liner in black, and I'm going to do some winged liner for this look just to add an extra something. And then I'm going to pop on my Kiss So Wispy lashes, and these are the Kiss number 11s. Help make the wing nice and sharp and everything. I'm going to use some tape and just create a line. Straight up on my eye, and then I can follow that line with the liner and hopefully create the perfect liner. Okay, so I put my hair in a ponytail because I felt like it would look super cute with this, with like the earrings and the pink eyeshadow. I don't know, I just really wanted to. So I went and I put my hair in a ponytail. I'm going to move on to my face makeup, and I'm going to start off with my Revlon Photo Ready Pore Reducing Primer. This is like super old product that like nobody talks about or anything, but I really like it because it's just like a pore filling. It's just a basic pore filling primer. It just smooths out my skin really nicely. I use the Milani Supercharged Dewy Primer to give my skin a nice glow, and it's just so hydrating. I love this primer, and it smells so good. It smells like oranges or something like that, and it's so nice. It's just so hydrating. So for foundation today, I'm going to use my all-time favorite foundation. This is the this is the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear Foundation. Oh, I just love this foundation so much, and I haven't used it in a pretty long time now, so I wanted to go back to it because it's just a favorite of mine. So I'm just dotting that all over my face. And I'm just gonna blend that in with my e.l.f. Oh boy, with my e.l.f. What's this called? Cookies and Dreams sponge from that collection. Use my Milani Supercharged Brightening Under Eye Tint in Pink Rose, and I'm going to just apply that to my under eyes. And I'm going to use my sponge and just blend that out. And then I'm going to use the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear More Than Concealer. And I'm just going to use that on all my acne spots. I also used to really like this concealer and use it all the time, but I stopped using it because I just started using my e.l.f. concealer all the time. But I wanted to switch it up for this video. Okay, so now I'm going to use my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. I'm going to use my same sponge, blend out my under eyes first, and then I'm going to take some on the sponge and just press it on my under eyes. Basically just setting up my entire face, just like that, with my sponge and the powder. Okay, so then I'm going to do bronzer, and I'm going to use my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. I love this. And I'm going to use my Morphe JH02 brush. I'm going to use my Physicians Formula Mineral Wear Talc-Free Correcting Powder in Translucent, and I'm going to use this to give my under eyes a nice highlighted effect. Blush, I'm going to use the BH Cosmetics Vanilla Cream Truffle Palette. And I'm going to use this pink shade right here. It's the perfect light pink color to match. And I'm just using my Morphe JH04 brush. Use my JCat Beauty You Glow Girl Baked Highlighter in the shade Bella Rose. And it's the most gorgeous pink, white, shimmery highlight. It's got like a pink tint to it, and it is so beautiful. So I'm just going to use my little Do Care highlighting brush and highlight my face with that. Then I'm going to use my NYX Bear With Me Prime, Set, and Refresh spray. And I'm just going to set my face with that. Okay, so then I'm going to use my AOA Studio E134 brush, and I'm going to use my same highlighter that I used earlier and take a lot of that and highlight my inner corner with that. And then I'm going to use my NYX Epic Wear Liner Stick in the shade Pure White, and I'm going to just put that on my waterline. And then I'm going to use my Morphe M421 brush, which is like a little smudger brush, and I'm going to use that color Sorbet again, and I'm going to apply that to my lower lash line. And then I'm going to use my Wet n Wild Mega Length Mascara and put put mascara on my bottom lashes. And then I'm going to use my e.l.f. Bite Size Brow Palette and my e.l.f. Eyebrow Duo Brush, and I'm just gonna fill in my brows with that. Now to finish off the look, I'm going to use my lip liner, and I'm just going to do lips. I'm going to use my Essence Soft Contouring Lip Liner in Lost in Love. It's like a cute mauve, like pinky mauve kind of color. I'm just going to use that to line my lips. And then I'm going to go in with the BH Cosmetics Liquid Linen in the shade Natalie. It's the most gorgeous cool toned pinky color. And then to top all that off and match this look perfectly, I'm going to use my NYX This Is Milky Gloss in the shade Milk It Pink. And that completes this really cute one shadow pink monochromatic kind of look. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.